Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your UHC UCard at Walmart. Your UnitedHealthcare UCard is a fantastic benefit, helping you pay for essential health and wellness products directly. It combines several benefits onto one convenient card, including funds for healthy foods and over-the-counter items. This card simplifies your shopping experience for approved items at participating Walmart stores, making healthy living more accessible for you. Your UCard covers a wide range of products designed to support your health. You can use it for fresh fruits and vegetables, like a 5-pound bag of apples or a carton of organic eggs. It also extends to over-the-counter essentials such as pain relievers, allergy medicines, and even a simple box of adhesive bandages. Look for designated healthy food items or check your plan's specific guide for a full list of eligible purchases. Shopping with your UCard at Walmart is straightforward. Once you have gathered your eligible items, proceed to the checkout lane. Simply swipe or insert your UCard as you would any other payment card. If your cart contains both eligible and non-eligible items, the register system will prompt you for a separate payment for the uncovered purchases. It truly is a seamless process designed for your convenience. To make the most of your UCard, always check your balance beforehand, which you can often do online or via an app. Retain your receipts after every purchase, as they are crucial for tracking your spending or for any returns. If you have questions or encounter any issues while shopping, do not hesitate to ask a store associate or contact your UnitedHealthcare member services. Using your UCard effectively helps manage your health expenses with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.